Look at how reflective this screen is. I think it's time to get a screen protector that is anti-glare. So we're going to get the Spigen glass screen protector here. It is an anti-glare screen protector. We're going to install it on here, and hopefully this won't be so reflective anymore. Also, will probably be a lot cleaner, I would imagine. Hey, so welcome back. Today we're going to do another video on an installation for an accessory. Today we're going to do it in the Model 3. If all goes well with the Model 3, I'm sure we will later install one in our Model Y. I am going to go with tempered glass anti-glare. It's also supposed to be oleophobic, so that'll be nice. Hopefully get rid of some of these fingerprints on here. If you like this channel and you like what we're doing here, please. So strangely enough, I do not see anywhere on that says anti-glare. The only thing that I see here that maybe indicates that is the AGL. Trust that it is. If not, hey, it'll still be a nice screen protector, I'm sure. So let's get started with the install here. First off, as is obvious from our screen, it is going to need a lot of cleaning in order to be ready to install this screen protector here. It does come with a nice thing here that will lock on to the little piece of paper there. Fit right over the screen. Make sure we get the glass nice and screen. I do have the car off, the air off, and the screen off, so hopefully won't have any interference with dust blowing around. Got this little tab here. I'm going to remove this tab. And then press here. Slide. Wait 30 seconds, and you can see it's slowly reaching out to the edge of the screen. Remove that. Look at that. There's one little bubble here. Man, that looks really good. And you can no longer see my reflection, so the anti-glare works really well. And it feels really good. The oleophobic coating there, really nice. Makes a huge difference with the glare as well. That is tremendous. I'm hoping that helps a lot with our videos. When we get that autopilot, we'll be able to get some nice crisp video of the screen here without glare affecting that. So there it is, fully installed, and with the screen back on there, I gotta say it is definitely anti-glare. It does not reflect just about anything, so that is very nice. It does have a definite sharpness difference. I don't know how well that's going to pick up on camera, but it definitely does not look as sharp. But the feel of the screen is fantastic. You can easily tap on it and move things around, and it doesn't seem to do any type of fingerprints, which is great. But it's kind of blurry, right? You can see down here, this nice piano black type glass here would normally just be all kinds of fingerprints on it, and no fingerprints whatsoever when I tap it now. And it's really smooth to touch, so it's actually really nice, but blurry. Screen protector We'll definitely see how we like it over time with the sun glaring on it and everything to see how much better that is, but I think we're going to like it a lot. So there it is, the Spigen anti-glare glass screen protector for the Model 3 or Model Y. Screen is the same on both, so we can use it on either one. So it's a great accessory for either one. I do, at least first impressions, I do highly recommend it. Now it is, again, an anti-glare version, so it does get rid of some of that sharpness, but I think that the lack of glare now and the fact that the fingerprints do not show up at all, I mean, they're completely gone. I think that's going to make up for the fact that a little bit of the sharpness is gone of the display. Again, it is a screen protector, so if you were to hit the screen with something, it should not scratch the screen now. You can just replace the screen protector instead, which is a lot cheaper. This was about $30, $35 versus I think the display is like $1,000 to replace it. That's definitely a huge expense. It's basically the only display you have in the car. Well, it is definitely the only display you have in the car. So definitely want to keep it protected as much as possible. Admittedly, I had a Model 3 here for about a year and a half with no screen protector. Never had a problem with scratching the screen, but hey, better late than never to protect that screen. And like I said, the glare, the anti-glare and the anti-fingerprint or the oleophobic coating is great. It's a great touch. So I'm definitely excited about testing this out long term, and I'll report back if I decide I like or dislike it over time. For now, the link down in the description below. So if you want to check out this screen protector, as always, thanks so much for watching. We'll see you on the next one. Driving here, see how the screen shows up with the new anti. Again, I do believe it makes it